great pleasure to have you all in our midst on the occasion of the International Day of Awareness on Food Loss and Food Reduction at the University of Mauritius.
In this vein, the Faculty of Agriculture has been championing a food loss and waste reduction and recovery initiative from February 2018 to June 2019. It is now involved in the DeSIRA project, Development Smart Innovation through Research in Agriculture initiative, which is an EU-funded project.
At a critical time for Mauritius and for humanity, an important event on a critical issue, or at least both two critical issues, both food loss in a broader perception of food systems and circular economy in a broader perspective of economic transformation towards a greener economy.
Le gaspillage alimentaire est un problème planétaire, moral et social, environnemental et économique. Les impacts environnementaux du gaspillage alimentaire sont nombreux et comprennent le gaspillage des terres, de l'eau, de l'énergie, ainsi que la perte de la biodiversité et la production d'émissions injustifiées.
There are many ways to tackle this huge problem, but one of the most effective is to embrace the principles of circularity and zero waste at all levels of the food value chain.
So what are the main causes of wastage? Overproduction of food, surpluses of food. We have sometimes improper food storage and handling. These are some pictures that we have seen. So the faculty has not been insensitive to that issue and restarted our food waste and food loss reduction.
As you can see, we are gathered here to celebrate this day because food waste and food loss reduction is a very important issue for us, for our country, but also for the planet. So we are focusing a lot during the past years on creating awareness about this very important topic and also on adding value to food that is being wasted. And we look forward that each one can take a very small step to reduce food waste.
Comment nous trouver, c'est-à-dire nous vais faire une exhibition pour montrer que ça se commencer et que ça est fini. C'est-à-dire nous maman commence au niveau de la ferme, et pour passer par une manufacturier, une transportation et qu'à la fin il faut arriver dans une place. Ce que je voudrais comprendre c'est at each stage of production in a food loss and food waste.
Donc c'est vraiment pour sensibiliser les gens à consommer les légumes, les fruits, même s'ils ne sont pas jolis à voir, ne respectent pas les normes. Mais c'est toujours bien de consommer parce que quand on jette de la nourriture, on jette aussi de la monnaie. Donc consommer des trucs pas aussi jolis, mais ça donne aussi les mêmes valeurs nutritives.